Roasted yam is right up there with Nigerian suya and roasted plantains as the most popular street foods in Nigeria. In this video, I'll show how you can make yours at home. We use the white yam with a brown back for this recipe. Peel and cut the yams into 1-inch thick pieces. The pieces need to be this thin so that the inside will be well done by the time the outside starts to brown. Wash and soak the yam pieces in salted cold water and keep it in the fridge overnight. This soaking helps keep the yam moist during roasting. If you don't soak it, the yams will dry up and that's not good. The next morning, I pour out the water, add some salt, and roast it in my oven at 150 degrees centigrade. I use the grill setting for this. I think it's called broil in the US. While that is roasting, we prepare the pepper and Ukpaka sauce. Pound the pepper, Ukpaka and diced onion in a mortar till you get a good blend. You can also use any kitchen equipment that allows you to blend these without adding water. Ukpaka is sliced oil bean seeds, and even though it improves the taste and texture of this sauce, you can prepare the pepper sauce without it. So for those of you outside Nigeria that don't have access to Ukpaka, you can totally skip it. When you are happy, put it in a bowl, add some salt and palm oil, and the pepper sauce is ready. Don't forget to keep checking the yams. When the top sides are light brown, turn them to roast the other side as well. I roasted the yams for 30 minutes. That's about 15 minutes for each side. Your own times may vary, so check them to make sure they are well done before taking them out of the oven. Here I'm putting the pepper sauce in the oven to warm it up. You don't need a long time, just for about 3 minutes, and it's ready. Roasted yams are crunchy on the outside and the inside is so moist. Yum, yum, yum!